Hello guys, this video will show you how to create those cool sci-fi triangles everybody loves. And real quick guys, if you want to learn this awesome new program called Plasticity, I've got a course for you in the description. It's the first link there. And it's got a lot of awesome content guys. It's got over 42 hours of educational content. It's got a tree cutting mechs, it's got police robots, Omega, SMGs, cyborg ninjas, and much more. So be sure to check that out. So a lot of times we want to fit some unique detail in a kind of unique space right here. For example, right here. Now you can of course always create some, generic triangles and just kind of, reuse them. But a lot of times you'll want some custom fitting details in this custom fitting place. So I will select this right here, select your surface, and go ahead and press O for offset. All right, let's go with something like that. And then press Shift A to start creating lines. And so now it's gonna snap to the edge right here. So now I simply keep left clicking while snapping to kind of determine how your triangles will be oriented, how they will be inside of here. Then you right click to exit out of that. Now right now we just have this kind of a line right here. So we're gonna go ahead and select that. We're gonna go ahead and press Shift I to activate imprint and select the surface right here. All right, and then we're gonna right click to confirm that. All right, at this point we're gonna actually select this and delete that. As you can see, we now have these custom triangles right here. But if we just select them all right now and extrude, we're just gonna get the single one here. So instead we're gonna go ahead and press O to individually offset them. So similar how when you're working with polygons, you can have like a, inset by face. We'll do the same thing here to inset, to offset all of this. All right, at this point, we're going to select the inside of all this, and we're going to go ahead and extrude like so. And so now, guys, we have our triangle set up. So you can do this for every part. Let's also do something right here, for example. So once again, let's repeat the procedure. O for offset, Shift A, right click. All right, Shift I for imprint curve, left click our surface, right click to confirm, delete this, select all the faces. Here, for example, I can just select this and delete that. I don't like that one there. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and offset that. Then we're going to go ahead and extrude. All right, now I'm going to triangles right here as well. In the next video, I'll show you how you can clean this up and remove the unnecessary lines. Thank you for watching and take care.